Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another website. It's called TimeBucks, like you see with me here on Google. So the TimeBucks is an online platform that allows users to earn money by completing various tasks and activities. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to TimeBucks or TimeBucks.com, and this is all the results I got after my search on Google. You can search into in any other browser that you prefer. Okay, we have also the application of TimeBucks in Google Play, and you can find some videos on YouTube and some similar websites here and interviews. Okay, we need the official site. That means the first one. Okay, let's click on it. Like you see with me here, the TimeBucks. Pay to click, pay to watch video, and pay to do anything else. Okay, let's click on this one. So we are in the home page. Okay, we have here some methods and ways to get paid. So if you have already an account, you will just write your email, password, and confirm that you're not a robot, and then log in. If this is the first time on this website, like me, we need to create an account from sign up here. Okay, let's click. Okay, we don't want to sign up with Facebook. Okay, let's do that just by the email. Okay, this one here, susanbryan@gmail.com, and then we need to choose password that we can remember it and repeat it over here. And confirm that we're not a robot, and then sign up. Okay, select all squares with traffic lights. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and sign up. They sent a link in my email to verification. Okay, you just need to click on that link and you will come back to the home page. That means this one. Okay, it's just the same, and this will be your user ID over here. You need to write it someplace or just remember it. To confirm the email, we need to click to the link that they sent. Okay, let's try to do that. This one is the link. Okay, let's click on it. Oh, okay, they come back to here in the same time that we click on that link. Okay, now we need to read all this privacy here before you can use TimeBucks. You must first agree to our term of service and privacy policy. If the accept button above does nothing and you cannot access our accounts, please click the logout button and try logging in again. If you are still experiencing issue, please contact support. Okay, let's just agree to the term of service. So we have here all the services that this website present to us, and we have here to complete our profile. Okay, let's choose the survey. There is only one survey, and this is why. before you get access to all the surveys, and we need to make sure you are serious about doing survey probably and more. Okay, you can read it or just skip it. We need to choose this only survey, TimeBucks quality testing survey. And if you want to complete your profile, okay, you will just complete it from here and start over here. And also let me tell you that the surveys and the TimeBucks provide survey on various topics, and users can earn money by completing these surveys and sharing their opinion. Okay, we have here 30 questions we need to answer on them. Okay, what is your education level? Okay, we'll just choose that independent on you. Okay, let's choose this one and click on next. Then the question 2, I understand that survey advertising only wants answer from a specific set of people that meets a very specific profile. Select the exact answer below. Survey are not for everyone and I must meet the specific profile required. Okay, we'll just answer with the questions that it's answer on you. Okay, let's just answer on them quickly. Okay, what country do you live in? You will select your country over here. There's all the countries. And fifth question. Okay. So you need to complete all these questions here. I cannot complete it with you. Okay, just let's skip to complete your profile. You need to answer all the 30 questions. Okay, and you have here the recent survey completion by other users. There is some other users from another countries are have a recent survey, and you can just see them over here and the kind of survey that they completes with the price that they paid or earned. And I have the others services over here, and the earning and the referral bonus and wallet. You can see all the prices that you earn and a referral, that means the wallets. Okay, you can find this over here, and the notification and the emails on your accounts on this website. You can find this over here. Okay, it's very easy to use. There is nothing complicated on this, guys. Excuse me. So if you understand me, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.